Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable startup programs in Windows 11 to speed up your boot time and improve overall system performance. When you turn on your computer, certain programs are set to start automatically. While some of these are necessary, others can slow down your system. Disabling unnecessary startup programs is a quick and easy way to optimize your PC. To begin, click on the Start menu at the bottom of your screen and open Settings. Once you're in the Settings app, click on Apps in the left-hand menu. Next, select Startup from the options on the right. Here, you'll see a list of all the programs that are set to run when your PC starts up. For each program, there's a toggle switch next to it. If you see a program you don't need to launch at startup, simply toggle it off. Windows even provides an impact rating, such as high, medium, or low, to indicate how much each program affects your startup time. Focus on disabling programs with a high impact rating unless they are essential. Another way to manage startup programs is through Task Manager. To access it, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Switch to the Startup tab, where you'll see a similar list of programs along with their status and startup impact. To disable a program here, simply right-click on it and select Disable. Only disable programs you recognize or don't use, often to avoid accidentally disabling essential services. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more quick and simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.